Hey everybody, it's Chris from CDornerFitness, and I'm excited because I have another step made easy tutorial for you. Today I'm going to show you the merry-go-round, which just sort of started happening in my class in the last week. I would have thanked Betty, who said, can you show us the merry-go-round? Which I actually had never done before. So I'm super excited to show you how to do it step by step, a little bit slower. And I'm also going to show you the option you can use if the spinning of a merry-go-round does not work for you. So let's get behind the bench and let's do this. We are going to break down the merry-go-round and how it goes. So I'm going to show it to you first. And if you're looking at me like this, that's okay. All right? Work on it. Be determined to get it and keep trying, okay? So we're going to start with a march right. It's nice and slow, okay? And we're going to start with a V step on your right. So we're going up and down, okay? So this is the basis of your merry-go-round, okay? So it's a wide V step. Now remember, you are mirroring me, and I could show this from the other direction, but because I teach this way in class, okay, this is how I'm going to teach the tutorial, okay? So stay with this. Okay, now you stay with your V step and watch. You're going to go watch. Up, up, down, down, turn, V step, turn, and a V step. No, I know you're like, what? Okay, march it out, march it out. So the first part of it is taking a V step, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're exiting over to the left, okay? So, and I say to the left because whatever way I'm going is the way you're going. That's your left as well, okay? So watch. Right, left, left. Then you're going to step right, left, and then you're ready to do a V step on the front of your bench. V, step, step over to the left. Step right, left, and then you could do a V step again. Now, if you're like, still like, okay, I'm going to break it down a little better for you, okay? What you're going to do is a V step, and then it's 4 walks, really, to get there, and then a V step on the front, okay? So let me show you. You're going to take 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're set up to do your V step on the front of your bench. V step, walk, 2, 3, 4, and then you're set up to do your V step behind the bench again, okay? It is kind of like a little bit of a pivot, so let me show you. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? You're like, still giving me that look. Okay, I understand. So I'm going to count it for you, and we're going to go slower than this beat. So I want you to go right foot first, walk up with your V step. So you're going to go right, left, 1, 2, 3, 4. V step right, left step down, right, left step right, left V step right, left, down, down. Okay? Every time you do it, every time you take your turn, you're turning away from your bench and then back into your bench. Okay? So, we're going to go slow again. Lou's down here watching me. Okay, so slow again. Right foot, right, left, step out, turn away from your bench, right, left. V step, right, left, step down, right, left, V step, and down. I'm going to give you a close-up of my feet so that you can see it. Okay, so close-up of the feet. You have right, left, step down towards your left, but it's right, left. Then right, left, step right, left, left, V step, and down. All right, now some of you are like, I got it, but maybe you didn't. Sometimes you might not need to think about it so much. So watch, again, we're gonna go right, left, 3, 4, 5, 6, V step, 7, 8, step down 1, 2, 3, 4, V-step right, left, down, down. All right, are you ready? We're gonna try it at tempo, okay? Now, again, sometimes when you're trying too hard, your mind is like, nope, not happening. And then sometimes when you just let it go, it just happens, okay? Right, the first time I did it, I was like, well, how'd that happen? Okay, so I just want knees up. 3, 2, knees up. Go, step, knee. Okay, so this is really slow because I want you to feel like if you have to slow it down more, you can. Okay, up. All right, now ready? Let's try it. V-step, walk 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, V-step. 1, 2, 3, 4, V-step, march. Okay, so I want you to think this is 1, 2. Then there's 4 walks, turning. And then a V-step on the front, 4 walks turning, always turning away from your bench, okay? So let's try it again on the right. Ready? Tempo, V-step. 1, 2, 3, 4, V-step. 1, 2, 3, V-step. Knees corner to corner, okay? Now, you might need to try this a bunch of times. Sometimes you gotta let go in the mind to let the feet decide what's happening, okay? So when Franny Fine was here, she was like, ah, and then she got it, right? You ready to try it? Let's go. Merry-go-round V-step. V-step. 1, 2, 3, 4, V-step. 1, 2, 3, 4, V-step. Knees up. Okay? We're going to do it again. Ready? Merry-go-round V-step. V-step, walk, 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 V-step, walk, 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 V-step, knees up. Now, keep going with your knees up. If you're experiencing this in a workout and you're like, nope, the same amount of counts and to get you back on the same foot is to do 1 V-step, 1 knee, 1 V-step, 1 knee on each side. So that's how you can avoid spinning, and that's how you can avoid doing the whole merry-go-round in general. Keep going with your knees. 4 more knees. You have 4. And we're going to do this 2 more times on this side, and then we're going to do it a few times on the other side. You ready? Merry-go-round, V-step. So you go. V-step, walk, 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 V-step, walk, 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 V-step. Knees in the center. 4, 3, 2. All right, ready? Here we go. V-step merry-go-round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. V-step. Knees up. Okay. Triple knee. 1. All right, what I want is just a left foot V-step. Just a left foot V-step. And if you have to stop because this is a tutorial and you just want to watch, that's fine. Okay? We're going to go left, right, step over here. Step left, right. Left V-step. Come over down to the right. Okay? So as you can see, you never switch feet. It's really, honestly, just doing this for 2 sets of 8. There's no tapping, okay? So, let's go slow. V-step slow. V-step, down, down. Turn, turn, V-step. Down, down, left, right. Turn, left, V-step. Basic left. Go. Okay. Again, you want to turn out away from your bench, facing away from your bench. Let's go slow again, left foot, so it goes. V, step, left, right, left, right. V, step, left. Good, left, right. Left, right, step. V, step, left. Left foot basic, take it up. Okay. Again, sometimes just let it go and you'll get it. All right, you ready? Let's try it again. One more time slow. One more time slow. Go V, step, down, down, step, step. Left foot V step, down, down, step, step. Left foot V step. Okay. Knees in the center. Go. All right. So let's take that at tempo. Again, just find your pace. You ready? Merry-go-round V-step left. Walk, 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 V-step, walk, 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 V-step, knees up, okay? Remember, when you do it, you're turning away from your bench, your V-step is here, and then you're turning away from your bench again. You're going in a circle, all right? Stay with your knees, up, ready? V-step merry-go-round. V-step, walk, 2, 3, 4, V-step, walk, 2, 3, 4, V-step, knees up. Hey, I want to know in the comments after this, did anybody have a aha? Like a, whoo, I did it. Yeah, keep going. That's always fun. 3, and I love to hear about it. 2, okay, you ready? Let's try it. Here we go. V-step, merry-go-round, V-step, walk, walk, back, back, knees in the center. Okay, now, again, if you can't do that, your option is to do 1 V-step, 1 knee, 1 V-step, 1 knee, avoiding all those turns. Let's try it again. Here we go. V-step, walk, 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 V-step, walk, 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 knees up. All right, I'm gonna count it. Here we go. V-step, 1, 2, 3, 4, V-step, 1, 2, 3, 4, V-step, knees up. Are you bored yet? No, keep working at it. Ready? Here we go. Here we go. V-step, turn it. 1, 2, 3, 4, V-step, walk, 2, 3, 4, V-step, knees. Yes. Then a triple. 1, 2, 3, and you are done. Guys, listen, it's only a step, okay? Let me show you again. If you can't do it, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Same amount of counts as this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the same amount of counts and brings you to the same foot. So if you can't get the merry-go-round, that is always an option. Rewind, persevere, be consistent, keep trying. You can do it. You wouldn't believe how many messages I get from people saying, oh my gosh, I never thought I would get that move, and I tried and I did it. So keep working on it, keep working on you, be the best you can, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.